I put my hand in the water, and this thing comes up to me again. It sees me. Here it comes. Is it paw? Yeah, it's paw. Oh. Oh! I touched it. It touched me is a better way to put it. It touched my hands. Unbelievable. It did that on purpose. There's no. It did. It did. My God.
How do you know if you want to record or take pictures?
It's coming back. We can't leave it, guys. I'm sorry. It's hard to waste your day like this. Oh. Get your hand in the water, Jimmy. Let it sit. Don't. Just, you don't have to move it. You can just put it in one place. Over in this corner, Jimmy. This is a nice, easy corner for you.
Other corner.